If your Google Drive files won't download after zipping, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons Google Drive gets stuck after you hit download, and I'll show you step by step how to get your zip file working again. We'll go through simple fixes first, then move into the deeper browser checks that often solve the problem fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to know is that Google Drive has to create the zip file before your download can start. So if you click download and nothing seems to happen, the best thing you can do is wait for the zipping process to finish. You may see a message that says zipping files, and that can take longer if you're downloading a large folder or a lot of files at once. Keep the browser tab open while this is happening and do not refresh the page. If you refresh too early, the process may stop and you could have to start over. For bigger folders, it can take several minutes, so give it a little time before assuming something is broken. Next, check your browser's download area. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to open the downloads page. This is where you can see if the file was paused, failed, or is waiting for action. If you see a paused download, click Resume. If it failed, click Retry. Sometimes the zip file actually created correctly, but the browser just didn't finish pulling it down because of a temporary interruption. This quick check solves the issue more often than you might think. If that still doesn't work, go back to Google Drive and refresh the page, then try downloading again. Sometimes the file request gets stuck, and a fresh attempt is all you need. If you're downloading a very large folder, consider trying smaller batches instead of downloading everything at once. Smaller folders are less likely to time out, and they usually create zip files more reliably. This is especially helpful if the Drive folder contains lots of documents, images, or mixed file types. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. In Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. You don't always need to delete everything, but clearing cached files can remove old browser data that may be interfering with the download process. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try again. This step is worth doing if Drive keeps hanging or failing every time you zip files. If the problem continues, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. You can do this on Chrome by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. Incognito Mode is useful because it temporarily disables many extensions and uses a cleaner browser session. If the zip download works there, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the issue in normal mode. That brings us to the next fix: disabling extensions and VPNs. Ad blockers, download managers, privacy extensions, and VPN connections can all interfere with large zip downloads from Google Drive. Try turning them off temporarily, then reload Drive and test the download again. If you use a VPN, disconnect it just for the download and see if the zip finishes properly. Once you've confirmed the issue is fixed, you can turn your extensions and VPN back on one by one if needed. If none of those steps work, one final tip is to try a different browser or a different device. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser profile, one extension set, or one machine. Switching browsers can quickly tell you whether the problem is local to your setup or tied to the file itself. So to recap, if Google Drive is not downloading files after zipping, wait for the zip to finish, check your downloads page, retry the download, use smaller batches, clear browser cache, test Incognito Mode, and disable extensions or VPNs if needed. One of those steps usually fixes it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.